Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need assorted pony beads, white pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have a piece of string that measures 16 inches, and then I have another one the size of my wrist. So we can put that one aside, and we're going to start with the string that measures 16 inches. We're going to put brown on both sides, let those fall to the middle. We're going to add a white that goes through both. White on one side, brown on the other. White that goes through both. White on one side, brown on the other. White that goes through both. And then brown on each side. You're going to hold one end and then pull the other side of the string. Pull this down. And then make this tight, and we're going to tie a knot. Okay, you can cut this off. We're going to put our needle on, and we're going to go through this brown. We're going to add a brown, add another brown, add another brown. We'll flip this over, go through this bead. We're going to add a white, another white, and another white. We'll flip this over and go through these two brown beads. We'll add a brown. We'll add another brown. This time we're going to go down this white and this brown, up this white and down this brown. Flip it over. We're going to add a brown. We're going to go through these two, down this white, and then up this white and up this brown. We're going to add a brown. We're going to add another brown. We're going to add another brown. We're going to go down this brown and this white. Up this white, up this brown. And then down. We're going to add a white. We're going to add a white. And we're going to add a white. Well, it looks like my measurement was off for that string, so I'm going to go ahead and tie this. So instead of 16, maybe double that. Okay, now we're going to add a brown, another brown, a brown, okay, we're going to go down this brown and this white. We're going to go up this white and brown. And down this brown. We're going to add a brown, another brown, another brown, we're going to go down this brown and this white, up this white and down this brown, flip it over, we're going to add a brown, we're going to add another brown, we're going down this white and this brown, up this brown, and down this brown. We're going to add a brown, and this time I'm going to go through all these beads and then tie it off. Okay, you can cut this. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to put the string the size of your wrist through there, and then you can do whatever pattern you'd like. You know what? I think I'm going to do each color and then put brown in between. Okay, I think this is going to be big enough. So I'm going to tie it. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.